Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss why cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is crashing. We are going to look at the altcoins, whether they are going to recover from this bearish indicator chart plateau of death cross occurred, or are we going to see another season or not. We also share the latest updates and news why we can see big move in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market and what to do. So currently the altcoins are dipping gradually, and we're going to find out the reason why there is crypto crash. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification. You can as well join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel for high value updates. So here on the trading view, this is today's updates, the reason why cryptocurrency and the altcoins are crashing. Now they say crypto crash today, why altcoins like Dogecoin, Pi Network, ADA and Kano are falling. So we are going to find out the reason. Now, a crypto crash is happening today with Bitcoin and top altcoins like Dogecoin, Pi, ADA, Asta and all of them. So if you go to your exchanges, you will find out that there is red, that the coins are dipping gradually, and not just gradually. Bitcoin has dipped to $87. So it is something that is worrisome. So we are going to know whether we are going to come out from this bearish indicator, or are we going to experience more dips. One major reason why the crypto market is happening is that investors that embrace a risk-off sentiment as the artificial intelligence jitters continue. So the high use of AI has impacted the cryptocurrency. So this just explain why top index like dog and all, why there is a dip, because of too much use of AI to monitor a coin, or to know to sell and to buy. This is affecting the crypto right now. There are risks that the AI bubble is busting, a move that could have an impact across other assets like cryptocurrencies and bonds because of correlation that exists among them. So the other main reason why the crypto market is crashing today is that the investors are waiting for the upcoming macro data from the United States. So United States is going to give a labor statistics concerning non-farmer payroll, and this has really affected the cryptocurrency today. So economists expect the upcoming report to show that the economy added 58 jobs in October, which lower than the 110K it created in the previous month. So the third main reason why the market is crashing is that the crypto market crash is happening as investors wait for the upcoming Bank of Japan interest rate decision on Friday this week. So Japan will be giving the interest rate decision on Friday this week, and it has already affected the cryptocurrency. So Bank of Japan is set to higher interest rate by 25 bps October on December 19th, last 3 times. So this has really affected the market. The bank goals for hiring interest rates is to combat the elevated customer inflation, which has remained at 3% in the past few months. So the last but not the least why the market is crashing is that the crypto investors continue to reduce their leverage in the crypto industry, which saw during the year's bull run. So many investors are reducing their leverage, and thereby it has affected the market. So let's go now and check the price of Bitcoin using the trading view. Let's check the price of Bitcoin. Coming here, we are going to look at Bitcoin USDT. Now, like as the moment I'm recording this video, Bitcoin is at 86k dollars. So it is still going down. It means the weight of the Japan interest rate this Friday and also the US macro news. So this really has affected the market, but it's not something to worry. We still hope that the market will soon recover. But if care is not taken, we are still going to experience more dips. So it is still not yet time to buy any Altcoin, because the ones we already buy, we have already lost a lot. So this moment is not yet time for you to buy. I'm expecting another dip. BTC might dip to 70 something dollars. So this is my own personal observation. This video is strictly for informative and educative purpose. I am not a financial advisor nor a cryptocurrency trader, but I'm here to impart my little research on why the market is crashing. So if you got value from this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, turn on the bell notification. You can as well join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel for high value update. Thank you guys.